Did you know that creating fictional characters for your users can actually help create a better user experience? Let's get into it. Hi, my name is Adenike. I am a brand designer and I'm currently learning UI UX, and I'm taking you on this fabulous journey that I am on. Today we are going to be talking about creating personas. What is persona, number one? So creating a persona means giving a name, a face, and a backstory to your users. So, for example, let's say Sam. Sam is 30 years old. He is a man, and then we'll create a backstory for him later in the video. So let's get into it. So the three things that you need to ask, like the four main questions you need to ask to be able to create this persona, goes as thus. Number one, who are they? Who are they? What is their age? What do they like? What do they not like? What do they eat? What do they not eat? What is their income? What are they working? Are they unemployed? Those are the questions you need to ask for you to find out who your users are. Number two is to find out what motivates them. This is like what gets them going every morning. Do they like to drink coffee in the morning? Do they drink tea? Do they drink matcha? You need to find out all those things. Is it boba? Is it just plain water? Do they work out? Do they not work out? Do they eat healthy food? Do they like junk food? Are they vegan? All those things that motivate them, you need to find it out. Know them. And what brands do they like? What kind of brands do they associate themselves with? Are they for luxury? Do they like luxury brands? Do they not like luxury brands? Do they like more affordable brands? You need to find those kind of brands. The brands that they use. Are they Apple users? Are they Android users? Are they Mac? Are they Windows? You need to find out what brands they like to associate themselves with. And then the last one is to find out what their pain point is. What exactly do they not like? What exactly are you trying to solve for them? What exactly is their problem? Like, what problem are you trying to solve for them? You need to find out what their pain point is, and then you'll be able to move on to the next. Okay, so let me give you an example of a user persona. Okay, so let's go with this persona. So Sam is a 30-year-old man. He loves photography. He's a photographer, but he struggles with finding a very good app that can help him organize his pictures, because he might be taking a portrait picture today, and then tomorrow he might decide he wants to take a picture of the sky or the birds or objects. So he needs a particular app that can help him organize everything into a folder instead of doing it manually, because as you guys know, doing anything manually takes a lot of time. I can attest to that. So he needs an app that can do that. So if, for example, if we want to create an app like that, he's a perfect one. That's a perfect example of a persona. So if we then want to go ahead and say, okay, we want to create an app for him, we already know what he struggles with. We have a name, we have a backstory, and then all we need to do is add a picture to it. So maybe I'll insert a picture here, a picture of Sam here, and then this is what Sam looks like, and then we can just go ahead and create the persona. So what is my takeaway? Okay, so this is actually not far-fetched. This is actually not how should I put this in English? I am already kind of used to this, because when I want to create a brand identity for my clients, for businesses that I help on a daily basis, I have to create personas for them, because okay, let's say I want to create a brand identity for a restaurant now. Number one, I am not a restaurant person. I don't necessarily go to a restaurant, so I don't know how the user experience is going to be. I don't know how I'm going to create something like that. So creating a persona for this restaurant will help me decide, okay, is it a restaurant that is vegan? Is it a restaurant that is like, the people that are coming to the restaurant, are they vegan? Are they not vegan? Do they like healthy food? Is it salad? Is it a steak restaurant? So having a persona definitely helps me create. So this is actually like not far-fetched, and I actually kind of love creating this, because I am a very fictional person. I'm a very imaginative person, so I love dealing with creating characters for this kind of stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.